Hey everyone, it's Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're working on a deck restoration today, so as you can see, this deck has not been cleaned in a very long time, very long time, and so we will be using some special deck cleaning chemicals. We are not using the stuff you buy from Bunnings, okay, just so you know that. We don't find that to be very effective. So you can see here what we're doing is we're just taking off this top layer of mold off the top of the boards, and then what you're going to see next is that we'll take off the underlying layers of mold that will be already in the decking. So basically we're in the next process here. Now we're about to apply this is the deck cleaning formula, and see how much it's already just off the top, taking off that layer of dirt. It's phenomenal. And then basically the process is really around scrubbing it. And you can see how clean those boards are coming. Yep, as I said to you before, we do not use the stuff from Bunnings. And there's a reason for it, because it just basically never delivers this level of detail. So yeah, anyway, so I hope that's testament to it. You'll never see that coming off Cabot's deck cleaner. Okay everyone, so we're just rinsing off the surface chemical. So as you can see here, the deck has come back beautiful. So pretty sure this is Merbau. And what we're going to do now is once we've rinsed it, we're going to simply put on the next lot of chemical to brighten the deck and bring back the colour. Alright, so I hope that's testament to, from what started as a black mouldy deck to already what it is already a massive improvement. Alright everyone, so basically now we're on to the brightening section, and you can see those first two boards already, an amazing difference. So this is another chemical which we use to brighten up the wood, and it delivers in spades, as you can see. So again, we'll let this chemical dwell. We'll just do a gentle scrub in on the wood, but you should be seeing already, without any scrubbing there, an amazing improvement. Yeah, okay, so there we go. If you want to do your deck restoration properly, this is the way to do it. And of course, once you've cleaned it and brightened it in the way that we have here, we should be really re-oiling it and sealing it, yeah, so that it comes back, you know, and is maintained. Alright, beautiful. Look at that. Okay everyone, so these are the finished results. I hope you can see that. Absolutely beautiful. You can see how clean the deck has become. And now it's ready for a re-oiling. That's really important that you do that soon after it's been cleaned. And just remember that this process that we showed you today is applicable to oil decks, not stained decks. Stained decks have a different process by which they're cleaned, but we can offer you a quote either way. So just let us know if you need a hand, and if you want your deck restored properly, we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.